Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem regarding scoping in Kotlin. Have you ever wondered why a certain piece of code prints a specific value, even when you might expect it to be different? Well, that's the problem we'll be exploring today. In the code provided, a class with a function contains a local variable x, while inside a nested object expression, another variable x is declared. The question is, why does the inner x not shadow the outer one? Let's unravel this mystery together. Let's talk about the solution to our problem. The reason the inner property declaration does not shadow the outer one lies in how scoping works in Kotlin. According to Kotlin's rules, unqualified names prioritize local callables over non-local ones. In the context of our code snippet, this means that the local variable x defined within the function f takes precedence over the x declared inside the object expression. The body of an object literal is considered a declaration scope, not a statement scope, which explains why the inner x does not override the outer one. This scoping behavior allows us to access the local x from within the function g without any conflicts. In summary, we've discovered why the inner property declaration does not shadow the outer one in the provided Kotlin code. Understanding scoping rules and how local callables are prioritized over non-local ones sheds light on why the code prints 0 instead of 1. I hope this explanation has been helpful in clarifying this concept for you. If you enjoyed this exploration into Kotlin scoping intricacies, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tech insights, like the video, and drop a comment below sharing your thoughts or any programming mysteries you'd like us to delve into next. Remember, stay curious and keep coding.